What's going on, everyone? It's Justin here, and today we're going to be talking about Higgsfield AI, one of the leading AI video generative tools for creators that uses the latest in technology and allows you to access all of the current tools all in one place. So I've been a creator for about 15 years, and over the years I've seen the constant evolution of content and tools. From using an iPod Touch back in the day and not editing anything, to eventually learning how to edit videos myself, then purchasing different cameras, and then expanding our content portfolio as well with videos that are filmed not only in the tech space, but also in travel, lifestyle, cars around the world. I've always tried to look for some of the most amazing tools, and for the most part, it is constantly circulated around having to buy new cameras, lenses, gimbals, microphones, and so much more in order to try to showcase our creative expression. And even today, even though that is still a very instrumental part of creating content, what is equally as exciting is just how accessible powerful tools are to everybody to be able to really get your message out and convey visually what you had imagined when you set out to create something. I'm going to be giving away a Mac Mini in this episode, so if you want to enter, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with what you would use Higgsfield AI for, and also leave your Instagram username as well so someone from my team can contact you. And a huge thanks to Higgsfield AI for sponsoring this video. Having all of your favorite video generation tools in one place allows you to really think about how you want to use AI in your editing process. Whether it is for cutting different clips together between different scenes, for example, combining things, or taking footage or images that you already have and taking them to the next level. With Higgsfield AI, you have all of the different tools available to you at your fingertips, and by picking the one that works the best for you and applying it to your workflow is what's going to lead to the best end result. And I also love how there's so many resources and inspirations on the site already. As soon as you go to the homepage, you have a lot of idea starters that showcase some of their favorite tools, from mixed media to visual effects, Higgsfield apps. From there, you're able to click on the page, take a look at the homepage of curated examples and some of the categories and prompts that lead you to figure out what you might want to do for your video. It is not only a platform that has all of the tools at your disposal, but it's also great for inspiration as well, because I personally find that when it comes to AI video generation, I might have practical ideas of what I might want to do, but at the same time, there might be something that you didn't even know was possible before, but the idea starter is right here. So Higgsfield gives you access to all of the leading video generation platforms all in one place. And this includes Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 Audio, WAN 2.5, and more. But most importantly, they recently launched Cinema Studios, which allows you to take the process end to end, use the tools that are most effective for your project, and be able to create an amazing end result. So going over what Cinema Studio is, this is especially really interesting for myself because I do have a pretty broad knowledge of cameras, for example, and different lenses just through experience over the years. And it allows you to take professional grade cinematic content powered by real cameras and lenses, then bring them to life through video. So for example, I can have the camera set up right from the beginning. From the camera, the lens, the focal length, to the type of lens. I can choose between like an Arri Alexa, a Red, a Sony, and whether I like a vintage film grain or modern digital clarity, I do find that there are different projects that demand different looks. Once you select your camera settings, you can give it a prompt and reference an image if you want, and generate still images to use as a starting point. You can then use those as start and end frames for video generation, so you can make sure to get exact camera move and animation you need. This is almost like an aspect of virtual production that you're truly able to bring to life from just a prompt. So here is a look at my first example. I'm also going to be showing you guys an example through the access to Nano Banana Pro, which is a very well-known image generation platform that gives you high resolution options as well, whether you need 2K or 4K resolution. You're also able to control some of the small details such as the text. It can also handle visual reasoning and equations such as the number of a certain prop, for example. You also have stronger faces and identity control, as well as data-aware images. And when it comes to some of my favorite use cases of Nano Banana Pro, I might take a still image that I've captured on a trip and then describe what I'd like to be able to reenact or recreate. Whether it is an action scene at a Formula One race, or when I was in Dubai recently, just being able to reimagine the fireworks and the building of a rendering. I really think Higgsfield does an amazing job of letting you reimagine some of the images that you already have and bring those moments to life. Audio is just as important as video, and Kling Audio 2.6 is a multi-modal engine that produces complete scenes with visuals, ambience, and voice. The process is the same as you'd expect. You can give it a text prompt together with reference image, and it will generate not just the video, but matching audio too. Both ambient sounds and voice with perfect lip sync as well. So whether you're creating an action or a VFX scene, or an ad where you actually want it to be able to dub with a voice, or take a realistic scene and add audio to it, with Kling, you not only have the control to do so, but also the high fidelity audio clarity as well. So here are some of the examples that I've tested out.
Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to this new video. We are testing Kling 2.6 today, and I'm excited to show you how it works.
Beyond some of these highlighted tools, there are so many more. And you can see if I'm taking a look at the image side of things, you have access to all of these tools such as Soul ID Character, Relight, InPaint, Image Upscale, Face Swap, Character Swap, and so much more. You can truly run your entire creative process through Higgsfield, whether it is for full-scale production and editing, or just for refinement and generation, all the way to publishing and also reformatting different pieces of content. So at the end of the day, if you're a video creator and you're looking to take your work to the next level, whether it is for your clients or for yourself, or even like a creative project, Higgsfield AI has showcased that you can combine different tools together from what you actually capture in camera to using software and AI to reimagining it to something completely new. And if you guys have any questions or want to go ahead and try it out for yourself, I'm going to drop a link down below as always, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.